My name is Karen, and 71 years old. I've lived in this house for approximately 35, 40 years, and we've always had the same bathroom in the hallway, and we have never changed it. As I grew older, I developed a disability called MS, multiple sclerosis.
When I first met with Karen and Jim, we saw the need that they needed a walk-in shower. Karen was just really struggling and needed something that was easier for her. Her mobility issues were just a hurdle.
I couldn't get in the bathtub because of my mobility, so I had to use our back bathroom.
We do a program that's called Fit for Good.
We knew exactly that they were a good fit for our program. Our team strives every day to provide a great service and to give back to the local community here in Fresno, especially to a family that served our community for so many years. It's amazing.
What I noticed first is that her just walking, kind of doing basic things, she had to sit down a lot, and her husband was having some medical issues as well. So they had a tub there, believe it or not, with a really large ledge to step into. It needed to come out, and we had the solutions to really help her out. And I noticed that she has to reach around the toilet to even turn the water on. So I started coming up with ideas and designs and show her some pictures of projects that we've done in the past for other ADA needs. And we kind of just started to really formulate a plan and selections that she liked and that would help her and her family.
Bath Fitters is phenomenal. They had everything there. Any questions I had, they answered. Having a good bathroom to me is gonna just change my life.
We provide a Fit for Good for a customer that has needs, and the Fit for Good program provides a unit for free. We took care of everything here for our customer.
My husband, Jim, he's been at the VA for probably 30 years. He's a licensed social worker there, works with recovering alcoholics.
We are honored at Bath Fitter to give back to the community that supports us all year long, and especially for Jim, that he served our country and that we were able to give back to him. After the installation, I followed up with Karen and Jim, and Karen was ecstatic. Jim was so grateful that we were able to do that for them, and she knew that from here forward that she wasn't going to fall and slip in the shower anymore, and that now she had an easy access shower that she could use all by herself and not need the assistance of Jim anymore.
The bathroom that we just had put in has really raised my confidence in terms of being able to enjoy stuff. So it's brought a lot more happiness and confidence to me. When I took a shower, I had to stand up. Everything was so reachable. So now with a walk-in shower, it's not an issue in terms of danger.
Noticing right away, okay, her just turning the water on was a very hard chore. We moved it closer to where she'll be getting in and out of the shower. Also with some safety bars, so she has something to grab onto. And then put also a holder so she can put her handheld, rinse off, put a seat there as well. And it folds up and down. If her husband doesn't feel like sitting down on the seat, he's able to walk in and also have a full-size shower as well. Even last night when I'm at home, I'm thinking about her and just how happy she was, and she's using it, and she was just ecstatic, I mean, they've never been able to redo that bathroom. I was just really honored that we were able to be involved with that.
I just want to do a shout out to Bath Fitters for making my life so much better, and if they weren't around, I wouldn't have a bathroom that was functional, that I could use and be happy with. There's nothing bad to say. They're wonderful, and they provided me with the best thing I could possibly get, a new bathroom.